Hey friends, happy Friday. If you're like me, you like to eat hard-boiled eggs. It's a great way to get protein in, or maybe you just like eggs in general. But let's be honest, sometimes just hard-boiled eggs get a little bit boring. So I wanted to give you a few different ideas today of how to change it up a little bit, have some variety, and make those eggs a little bit more tasty. So thanks for watching. My name is Alicia, if you don't know who I am. I'm a personal trainer, a military spouse, a mom of 2 teenage boys, and I'm a fast way to fat loss coach. My passion is for men and women to look and feel their best so we can effectively give back to our families, our communities, our friends, and our churches. So the first thing I want to show you what I was going to do today is I am going to make some egg bites in my Instant Pot. And I had purchased one of these silicone molds on Amazon, so they're really handy. I got this. It comes with a lid, however, we won't be using the lid today. So I put a little bit of oil in here. I used avocado spray, but you do want to put some oil in there just to make sure the eggs don't stick. So a couple different recipes. In here I have 4 eggs, a 1/3 cup of milk, and if you want to stay dairy-free, you can use almond milk. For this one, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper, and I have some toppings, well, not really toppings, but mix-ins here. I have some Canadian bacon, here is some chopped broccoli, red pepper, and some spinach. Other things that go well are also bacon, anything pretty much, the sky's the limit. So you could also make some pizza egg bites, maybe with 5 eggs, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. If you want some salt, maybe sun-dried tomatoes. You don't really want to use real tomatoes because they would just add too much moisture. A little bit of green onions and even maybe some basil to give it like kind of that pizza flavoring. So anyway, the ones I'm going to make today, I just have eggs and I have a little bit of milk in here, and I did want to put, you can mix in your vegetables or things in your egg batter, but if I put them in each little cup itself, that way I know they're getting kind of like a little bit in each one and they're properly measured out. I'm going to add some of the Canadian bacon. So the sky's the limit. You can add what you like. If you do not have an Instant Pot, you can make these by baking them in the oven with a muffin tin. That would help as well. Yes, and you can also, if you have one of these molds but do not have an Instant Pot, I don't know why you would, but if you do, you can also just set this in a pan with some water underneath and you can bake it in your oven. So I've got a little bit of that in there. So now I am going to just pour the egg mixture on top. Just kind of using equal amounts. Okay, so now I have those done. And remember, you can add seasoning to the top, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, whatever you wish. So then I'm going to take this right here. I will put about a cup of water in the bottom of my Instant Pot. And you do want to put this in the bottom as well, so then this can sit right on top of this inside your Instant Pot. If you push it for 8 minutes manual on high pressure, and then wait until the 8 minutes are done, and then if you let them go do the slow release, about 10 minutes. And then I released it from there, and then I pulled it out. I kept it in the mold a little bit longer just to kind of solidify those eggs. If you'd like, you can pop it in the refrigerator to chill them a little bit. That will make it easier to pop out. So that's one way of doing it there. So these are some that I have already made. So for these, I actually just use egg whites. I wanted to have a little bit more protein content and a little less of the fat from the egg yolks. So this, I have spinach and red pepper and salt and pepper. And so they just come out in these little bites, just like this. So you can actually freeze them as well. If you put cheese in them, I don't think I would freeze them. I don't know how that would set up. But you can freeze them, you put them in the refrigerator, and you can easily pop these into a lunchbox or take them with you on the go. And like I said, the sky's the limit. You can do so much with them. Another way I thought of was I have this guacamole seasoning. I think this would be good, maybe mixed in with the egg mix. And then when you're ready to eat it, just topped with avocado. So that might be another option as well. So anyway, I also love the everything but the bagel seasoning. So seriously, the sky's the limit. You could, however you want to make your eggs, change it up. You can just do as you please. So it's just always nice to have healthier options, and it is hard to get protein on the go sometimes. So I love the hard-boiled eggs, and I like these options that I can make and just keep in the refrigerator. My boys take these to school as well. They like hard-boiled eggs in their lunch. So anyway, just a healthier option. And a week from Monday, I did want to remind you, is on September 30th, my next round for Faster Way to Fat Loss will begin. So 8 weeks, there's a prep week. We learn all about intermittent fasting, carb cycling, how to track macros and match it effectively with quick workouts to where we can burn fat effectively. So if you would like to share this video, I would love that. I will post the link in the comments below. And if you're watching on Instagram, please check out the link in my bio, read more about it. Message me with any questions, but I would also love to hear from you. I want you to comment below and tell me your favorite way to eat hard-boiled eggs, or eggs, whatever you like, salsa, broccoli, spinach, whatever. Just tell me your favorite way, and hope you guys all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.